Salam and hello everyone. Today I'm talking about one of biggest issue, and that is coronavirus disease, COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone is talking about the death mortality rate, disease, number of serious patients, or how many people got virus infected on daily basis. I will give you best medication regimens, diet and nutrition if you or someone near to you have coronavirus disease, and that is based upon facts and figure of recovered patients data. So first of all, coronavirus that was reported in Wuhan, China in 2019. It is one of the mutant virus which could change its specification with respect to environment, and it spread all over the world. It infected millions of people, number of people died, hospitalized and affected badly. Almost every government decided to lock down their country, cities and villages and result in worse economical crisis. Now come to the precautionary measures. First of all, do social distancing, wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds and follow the protocols. When go outside home, use mask and use hand sanitizer when soap is not available. Before eating, must wash your hands with soap. Use the gloves when you are doing groceries or work outside the home or living station. When enter into the home, use antiseptic spray and get bath immediately before touching the surface and going to room or sitting area in home. Put your clothes in bucket in which surfactant is already added with water. Place the bucket for 24 hours and then dry the clothes in sunlight. Let's talk about sign and symptom of patient when coronavirus affect the different organs of the patient. Common symptoms that appear are fever, temperature, fatigue, and dry cough. Rare symptoms are headache, pain in the body, maybe diarrhea, and loss of taste and smell. In severe cases, difficulty in breathing and chest pain observed in patients. After confirmation of test results, isolate yourself and quarantine for 14 days. In isolation, there is no meeting, no gathering with the family, friends, and neighborhood. Now medication turn. Initially, you can take 2 tablets of paracetamol 500 milligrams after each 4 hours to minimize temperature and control fever. Let's start 1 tablet of azithromycin 500 milligrams for 5 days, and caution should be taken in especially cardiovascular disease patients. Additionally, you will take antioxidant therapy to boost your immunity like calcium, vitamin C 500 milligrams, zinc, and vitamin D3. As anti-allergic drug, cetirizine 10 milligrams once a day at a bedtime is recommended for corona patients. Yes, now question is about diet and nutrition. When your taste and smell is bad during corona attack, what to do? Initially for 2 weeks, which are very important and critical for patient health, that is may be up or down. Use adequate drinking water to prevent dehydration. Eat 2 eggs daily and take chicken soup and juices rich in vitamin C that are available in seasonal fruits. Turmeric, ginger, lemon, and cinnamon. Don't forget these items in green tea and use these for 2 months because they will boost your immunity within 2 months duration. Let's talk about additional therapies like exercise, sleep, and steam. Do light exercise on daily basis and sleep for maximum time, that is up to 16 hours daily. This will boost your immunity a lot. Take steam when feel difficulty in breathing, and you can increase it for 5 to 6 times per day. At last, not the least, when you feel that breathing and chest pain is not tolerable, immediately go to hospital and get medical aid for better recovery from coronavirus disease. Don't forget to like my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and click bell icon that is below here. I will give you latest information and update about the coronavirus disease. Stay tuned with me. Thanks for your attention. Salam and bye bye.